Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a beautiful example of a Seoul Pearl Silver Range Rover Evoque. Now this one in particular is a dynamic HSE, so fantastic specification, and it is the 2-litre diesel engine. Now with it being a dynamic, we do have that nicer aggressive style and body kit on the car as well as surround sensors, and coming round to the side we've got them beautiful 20-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Now we've even got the nice option of the red brake calipers. Got power folding wing mirrors on the car. Signature to the Range Rover brand, of course, are them deployable door handles. Keyless entry, with it being a HSE, privacy glass, and if you follow me right round to the rear, a fully powered electric tailgate, which we can open with the key. Really good sized boot for what is actually classed as a compact SUV. A little bit of storage space underneath there, but we do in fact have a space saver spare wheel on this car. So a bit of a lottery getting one of those. We can press that button to close up the boot. But looking into the back of the car, full ebony leather interior. There's no clear signs of wear and tear. Plenty of leg space for the rear occupants. And one nice thing about having kind of space inside the car as well is the fact that the car does actually have a sliding panoramic roof. So it does let that light in, makes the car feel even more spacious. But electric seats, memory functionality, a part digital TFT display. But I think the selling point of this car is the fact that we've got 6,963 miles. So heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, paddles at the rear. The newest and latest infotainment system from Land Rover, Pivi Pro. So navigation, phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just to give you a quick glimpse of that rear camera on the car as well as the surround sensors. And that bottom screen, which is always a nice addition because not all Evoques come with this, but the bottom screen's all to do with our climate control. So if I turn that on, really easy to use with the dials. We can sync it, we can use our heated seats. All of our vehicle options, of course, it is a Land Rover to 4-wheel drive, lots of different capabilities that we can customize on there. Twin cup holders, and then we do actually have a little bit of storage space between those two front seats. So if you do have any further questions on this car, my name's Sam. I'd be more than happy to look after you. Remember, it is an approved vehicle. It will come with a minimum of 12 months Land Rover warranty, but if you do have any questions, please give us a call. The number's 01642 644 444.